What is up? It's Sean Bailey over at Sales Funnel Nerd Headquarters, just kicking over here with me and baby Thanos. And what should come to our front doorstep and finally appear? The OFA box. It's time. It's time for the unboxing. Baby Thanos, why don't you just sit there? Keep an eye on things. Are you happy? Oh yeah, I'm happy too. So I've got this set up here. Let's take a look inside and see. And make sure you cut all the tape. That's going to be step one. Make sure you cut all the tape. And do it before you cut a video because it'll probably come out a little easier. If you can't find scissors, just use a pen. Just hack away like a savage because you just want to get through it. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's peel this puppy back. Take a look. All right, we see we got a quote from Sir Winston Churchill. You know what? I'm not going to read it for you. You got to get your own box. But it's a great quote. I'm reading it. I feel inspired. It's that powerful of a quote. But let's see what else we've got here. So, how would you like to earn $100 for every time someone joins the One Funnel Away Challenge? The great thing about this is I've already done this. I've had people sign up under me. And yeah, if they sign up under you, you make $100. It is an awesome affiliate program. I don't know how they're doing it, how they make any money doing this, but it is great. Oh, we got lots of fancy red stuff. I don't know what this stuff's called, but there's tons of it. This looks great. This is better than any wrapping I've ever done. You can always tell a present that's been done by me, just hacked together. Get in this puppy. Oh, this is the 30 days book. There we go. Whoa. And $100 in cash. They send you money. They literally send you money. No, this isn't real money. Don't try and spend this, or you wind up in jail. But it is, oh my God, it's 100 Russell dollars. Look at, it's actually a pretty good picture of him. Here, I'll hold this up here, nice and close. Eh? 100 Russell dollars. Oh, nice. That is good. So that's the, again, reminder for the affiliate link, but yeah, that's cool as far as it looks. It almost had me for a second there. I was like, $100? No, no. Yeah, this is the 30 days book. So everyone who did their interview, they had this transcribed. This is a good one. Nice and thick, that's for sure. Let's see what else we got. The official ClickFunnels bar of soap. Just kidding. It's not a bar of soap. It smells good, though. It does. It smells very perfumey. This is MP3 player. Now, the great thing about this is you can take it, fire it up, throw your headphones in, away you go, start listening to Russell or whoever talk about funnels. But the end comes off here, so you take this puppy out, boom, throw this on your computer, download, back up all the stuff, so you got it for whenever, wherever. Because you don't want to take time off and relax. You want to listen and think about funnels, building your business, using funnels to do it, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, so ClickFunnels soap. More red stuff. So this is great if you need to like start a fire really fast. This stuff will probably go up really good. I'm just gonna casually toss that aside. Like I don't care. Secretly I have to go pick that up before my wife sees it. She'll be like, what the H? Next we got 2 comma cloching. So it looks like this. I should probably show the camera. You can tell I'm really accomplished at these unboxing videos. Maybe Thanos, get out of the way. Are you excited about this? Yeah, that's what I thought. 2 comma club coaching. So here we go. If you want to go to the, if you want to actually get coaching with Russell, this looks like this is, holy. This actually outlines the entire ClickFunnels value ladder. So you want to learn how this enormous business of theirs works, where they can send away these giant blue boxes. Yeah, sign up for your own OFA challenge. And more than likely, there'll be a link below this video. Oh, dang. Russell's got the trilogy. Russell's officially gone Star Wars. He's got a trilogy. That's it. Once you got a trilogy, you can take over the universe. It's clearly proven. So that's pretty cool. I'll be doing some reading up on that. But wait, there's more. Oh, snap, the workbook. Nice, because we've been getting these lessons When you're in the members area, you get the lessons day by day. So this is nice as far as filling it out and having your own kind of resource. I've been printing them out and doing them, but this is nice to have this as far as filling it out and doing your exercises in. So yeah, I'll be jumping on and filling this out. This is pretty gnarly, and just wait, there's more. There's even more. So we've got a handy dandy piece of styrofoam. Now look at the thickness on this thing here. So if you needed some kind of like plating, armor in the front, whatever kind of setup you need, you're good to go here. This is definitely sturdy, definitely ready to go. Baby Thanos, what do you think of this? Oh yeah, he's way happy, way happy. So just to run through, we've got the giant piece of styrofoam workbook. This is awesome. I'm like super excited to get started on that. Write in it and make it my own. Some info about 2 Comma Club coaching. ClickFunnels soap with a DVD player inside. The 30-day book. This thing's heavy. Baby Thanos really digs this book. 100 Russell dollars. You can go on double day. You can get 2 Russells for the price of 1. And some information about how to refer people to this awesome challenge so they can get their own giant blue box and do this kind of video, which I'm sure will be 100 times better than mine. But yeah, there it is. It was fun. Me and Baby Thanos had a good time. Peace out.